this Taj Resort, Agra. Breakfast. Oh yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. With a boiled egg, right? Yeah, but a pancake. Oh, there. Boiled egg. Pancake. Oh, lot of.
South corn, you know, south corn.
The fruit jam, no. Sweet. Salted corn.
South corn.
Eh, tuan ni, no.
The sambar, you know.
Sambar di pati ni. Bonda ki pati.
Kira pala cun.
Bonda ki pati.
Dia uta.
Mida.
Tapam.
Oh, utam pada sepo ya.
Mina aja cakap ni.
Gen no we.
Alu banda sih. Alu dua tiang alu. Di utapam sih.
Udah mana sih tu?
Sama di
Alu bonda. Pua.
Pua sih, you know. Pua sih dia, orang sih.
Macaroni, cheese mobil.
Cheese, you know. Bhaji, you know. Bhaji sih kan di cuisine. Kalau kalau mana sih?
Oh, di puri yang minum hang cik no langsung. Alu paratha no. Anyway.
Powder di sini.
Oh, powder.
Oh. Sekarang kan phone ni kan sih.
有那种小木的好像包笼，
Lah.
还让他说是这切，
Okay.
原来我们进那masala, yes, no masala.
Breakfast तो बहुत अच्छा है. Sausage भी है उधर.
Chicken sausage,
Oh, chicken है ये sausage.
chicken sausage.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. अच्छे.
हाँ ये रहता है.
चिया.
कोकोनट है वो भी.
अच्छा है अच्छा.
ये sample है.
Na ciupa, bo kenam to jest soła, to są fajne lisy. Nie on potem gdzieś siło na ciągną czasie.
Minna mau mono, kasih sama yang mi, mono.
Good morning, Drusilla. How's the breakfast, guys? Yummy, yummy breakfast. Very good, right? Hare ngala galong ki breakfast no.
스날고 스트를 보시죠. Sanjay है ना? Yeah, Sanjay is our guide for today. Mula कैसे गुजार?
No change.
Do you have sir?
Yeah.
1862.
1874. But in those days, we have lots of trees in the garden of Taj Mahal. Then you can't see the beauty of Taj Mahal from the main entrance platform. But before the 1987, they start to cut the trees and get better view. In Taj Mahal, we have more than 200 angles to take pictures and see the beauty of Taj Mahal. And now you can see beauty of Taj Mahal from the main entrance platform. So different beauty you can see. And the first time Taj Mahal opened in 1959 for the public. And they announced, come and they're free. So you can see lots of local people here. Because after that they start charge tickets. They are entered to the Taj Mahal by the through of East Gate.
So we are kind of VIP.
You are not VIP, VVIP.
ताज का
Taj ka.
इधर है ना चक्का से बहुत अच्छा है ताज.
Taj.
Come here.
Please, ma'am. So look at this. And now we are in the courtyard of Taj Mahal.
Courtyard, yeah.
The courtyard with the fourth entrance, and which is gate we are used to enter. This is the eastern gate, and front of eastern gate there is a western gate. So by the east-west, by the Troming gate, we can enter to the courtyard of Taj Mahal.
Oh, okay.
And in the left, that is southern gate, only for exit now. But if you've been here before 2019, then also you can enter by them as well.
Oh,
And in the right, the north entrance, the royal entrance of the Taj Mahal. Because only by the through of north gate we can visit to Taj Mahal. With a 105 feet or 35 meters. At the top of the gate, there are some beautiful white couplers are there, smaller white domes are there. The 11 in the front or 11 in the back side. So why the 22? Because it took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal.
oh,
So when the Taj Mahal completed, they put 11 dome in front and 11 in the back side.
I see. Wow.
And the courtyard of Taj Mahal totally made up by the local red sandstone.
Sandstone.
Coming from Fatehpur Sikri, and now we can found in MP as well, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
And they still have a mines for that. And the Fatehpur Sikri is a 40 kilometers far away from here, and on the way to Jaipur on National Highway number 2. Jaipur. The second capital of third emperor Mughal King Akbar and grandfather of Shah Jahan was staying over there. And they still have mines for that. There's some sort of rooms are there. You can see it, with a beautiful arch. And this arch have a proper name. You know what is the name of the arch?
Don't know.
That we call teeth. Teeth arch.
Teeth arts. Oh,
This is a Hindu architecture.
I see.
So used by the engineer, architecture and calligraph master, they have been here in the daytime and give instructions to the labor. The people work for Taj Mahal. But 20,000 people work for Taj Mahal. That family lives just behind of southern gate, so used to say labor colony gate.
Oh, okay.
With the 4 gardens like 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is perfect. The pattern of Persian art like a charbagh known as 4 gardens. The gardens of the heaven according to Islam. You can see just front of the gate, the big arch. And around the arch you can see there is beautiful black writing up there. This is our belongs from the Quran.
Okay.
The Quran is a Muslim holy book, and each Quran has 30 chapters. But the 2 chapters you can see at the gate, the first chapter here and the second is behind. And this is the morning prayer. The name of the chapter is called Surat Yasin, known as Surah. And also this is looks like a beautiful colors or painting, but these are not color, not painting. This is real semi-precious stones, black onyx, and fixed by the inlaid work into the white marble. And who they introduced this art in 17th century, he was a great artist for the calligraphy art. He is an Amanat Khan. The rest of this you can see around the Taj Mahal, and the total land of the Taj Mahal 41 acre or 17 hectares. The big land. Taj Mahal, one of the most beautiful place because perfect symmetry you can see here. One building you can see in the left, exactly the same place you can see in the right, identical building.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful combination with the sandstone, green garden and white marble. And Taj Mahal just like a piece of art. With a combination of the art you can see at the Taj Mahal with a bunch. So Taj Mahal become piece of art. A 2 combination of the architecture, Hindu and Islamic. So this is Hindu architecture, the teeth art, but you can see the big one and the small one around the gate that we call first step art. So that is introduced by the Mughal architecture. And the big arch, you can see the beautiful spiral. It is beauty of the arch inside, and more you can see inside. So I hope everything understood about the courtyard.
Yeah.
If they are not understood, you can
Okay,
ask
sure.
me anytime and feel like it. Everything with the protocol. When we reach over there, the someone come to us. Actually, he is the professional photographer, appointed by the department ASI. They have got proper license. Otherwise, premises and nobody allowed.
Okay.
So they have number system. They will come and ask you. If you are interested, he is going with you. You see the line? This is the paragraph of symmetry. From here you can see up to the Taj Mahal by the true of arch. But it looks very small. अरे हल्ला मत बजाइए,
ก็
आराम से आराम से. And when we start to keep going, well, going far away from you, slowly, slowly, and come bigger.
Oh, okay.
And if you reverse from the same point, then again come smaller like a panoramic view. We will stop twice between the arch.
Okay.
And when we stop first, you can see Taj Mahal without any four towers.
Okay.
But after the few steps, again we stop, then you can see Taj Mahal with the four towers. You can feel it like in full display. Amazing beauty. Because today I have a lucky guest because of sun.
Right.
Yesterday, since from last couple of days, we have no sun.
Oh wow.
So today I have a lucky guest.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
मुझे लग रहा मुझे दोनों डाब लगी यो फेंकना तो ये लोग वो दासा ये लोग स्टॉप किलो या यो लोग वाला फेंकना तो ये लोग स्टॉप चिल्ला स्टॉप ये मतलब कि थक पे स्टॉप किलो लोग चलो तो ये लोग क्या ये लोग ब्यूटी चाहिए और ना ये दिख ब्यूटी तो ये क्या ब्यूटी चाहिए ब्यूटी से मत होना ये स्टॉप की फेंकना तो ये लोग क्या कहने तो ये लगे
Come here. Ma'am, come here.
เดี๋ยว
Ma'am, here. At the point.
Oh, yeah.
At the point. This is the point.
Oh no, wait. Yeah.
Without any four minarets. Let us start to keep going slowly, slowly, and focus to the Taj Mahal.
쉬워 어디 밀어 못 밀어 뭐하게 다 요 랩스디 창만 있네
Proper explaining beauty of themselves. So just enjoy and be surprised and think about love, and definitely you feel like in paradise. And most people came to visit the Taj Mahal, those people consider the love like this.
Oh,
And from here you can see the reflection view of Taj Mahal in the channel and without any rain. But when they turn on fountain, it makes rain. Then you can't see the reflection. So now the young boy, sorry, young man, he's taking pictures.
ไม่เล่น 아니요, 저거 그냥 레몬 잡아봐.
Today I have an expendable team.
Thank you.
So look at the beauty of Taj Mahal from here now. And as I told you, the symmetrical place over there, one place in the left behind the tree, and one more in the right, that we call water tank known as Jal Mahal, to build in 1648. Because in 17th century we have no electricity, no generator, no powers, no monoblocks pump. So the fountains work by the gravity force. The pressed water by the heavy stones, and now work by the electricity or by the monoblock pump. Now they turn on fountains. Then you can't see the reflection view of Taj Mahal. The place in the left That is a royal mosque. Exactly the same place on the right. Identical building. Royal guest house known as Mehman Khana. So all this building, the courtyard and all this place, the built before the Taj Mahal, and it took 5 years. But another 17 years only to build Taj Mahal.
Oh my God.
So we'll start in 1631 by the 5th Emperor Mughal King Shah Jahan for his beautiful wife of Mumtaz Mahal. And the 5th Emperor Mughal King Shah Jahan, he was born in Pakistan in Lahore Fort. Because those days India and Pakistan just one country, 1592 AD. And Shah Jahan's wife, she was born in India in MP known as Madhya Pradesh. And 1612 Shah Jahan gets married with her, and between 20 years period she gave birth. But that like only 6 is survived. The 4 sons and 2 daughters. All had been died on birth, and some after a few months, some after a few years. So only 6 is survived. But when she gave birth to the last daughter of Jahanara, then she had problem by the cervical cancer. Then have wish from the Shah Jahan, can he do something for me for my love? And Shah Jahan gave her promise with his wife of Mumtaz Mahal. Then Mumtaz died in 1631. Then after Shah Jahan invite architecture from the different country in India too. So the 2-man architecture, one is junior architecture from the Pakistan, he is named Muhammad Ahmad Lahori because he is from Lahore, so he is Lahori. The man architects from the Turkish, so this is totally the Turkish pattern. And he is named Afandi Khan. Then the Shah Jahan selected design and gave him order. Then they started in 1631. And it took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal, and 20,000 people work in Taj Mahal every day. So this is the beautiful premises in the world, with a 243 feet height from the behind of Taj Mahal from the bank of Yamuna River. With the 4 towers, and each tower have a 40 meters height, and divided by 3 parts like 1, 2, 3. And every floor have a round balcony, and every floor have a door with a cross ventilation. And inside we have a spiral steps to reach over there. But all them looks like a proper straight. But these are not straight. All them tilted out, 3.5 point. Because of natural disaster, if suppose we have earthquake here, then what happening going to Taj Mahal then? The tower fall away from the Taj Mahal and not come on the structure of Taj Mahal, so will be Taj Mahal structure is safe. How they think, just amazing. In 17th century when the technology 0%. But when you see the man structure from the front now, you can feel it, this is the front. But no, when you look at from the east, west, south, north, they become same from the every angle. By 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 7 by 9 with a cusp with arch, then become octagonal shape like a lotus flower. So this is looks the same from every angle with the octagonal shape. And now you can see the main dome. And not looks very clumsy or very hazy. It looks perfect, very smooth. And this dome have a proper name. You know what is the name of the dome? This dome is called Onion Dome. Introduced by the Mughal architecture. Before that we have no this sort of one. But actually this is not one dome, that is a double dome. Inside we have just like a balloon. And the second one, Onion Dome. And between the 2 domes we have a 5.5 meters gap. Because of stability. In octagonal shape, divide the weight. So when we are going to see the graveyard of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz, and if you speak over there with the loudly, automatically sound become changed like echo. And when the nobody is there, then you can hear more than 19 times. Hello, hello, hello. Echo. And Taj Mahal looks so beautiful in the morning. When the sun rising from the east, they become like a yellow gold. But during the daytime become glittering white, like a melting Taj into the melody, like milky white. But when the sun set into the west, become reddish pink with the vapors of light, red and pink. And during the full moonlight, become a sky blue. Because of taste of material, the Taj Mahal totally made of by the white marble. The white marble from Rajasthan, around 350 kilometers far away from here. The place is called Makrana in Kishangarh village. And how they lifted from there? By the horse cart, camel cart, bull cart and thousands of elephants. Labor cut them. Just manually by the strength of bamboo wire, by the chisels and help of the hammer. So the specialty of the Indian white marble, this is the very, very hardest marble in the world because of crystal. So it makes harder. The second, because of crystal, just like a glass, any torch light put over it and the light pass through from other side. And also the non-porous substance. You put tea, coffee, rum, cola, vinegar, wine, never sting. You can wash with a simple water. So because of Taj Mahal, we have a no factory, no industry. 60 kilometers far away from the Taj Mahal because of pollution. In Agra, we have a nearly 3 million population, but no factory, no industry. And we have a bank of Yamuna river behind of Taj Mahal. And we have a flat earth for the agriculture business. And we have a university, we have a hotels, we have a domestic airport, but no factory, no industries because of Taj Mahal. In Agra, we have a cottage industries. Cottage industries means everything made up by the hand, handicrafts we have. So here we have a 16 garden in Taj Mahal, but divided by the pattern of 4, like 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 here right down corner, 4 here left down corner, 4 here left up corner. So everything is symmetrical here. But one point which is not in symmetry, that is Shah Jahan tomb. Shah Jahan tomb disappointed the symmetry here. Why? This is the sad part of history. A eternal love story at the Taj behind of love. They have a plan to build one more Taj Mahal for himself in black marble. Just other side of bank of Yamuna river, the place is called Mehtab Garden, the garden of moon. So they just started, but he couldn't complete it. Just they start the base because they have 4 sons or 2 daughters left. The name of the son and daughter, the younger daughter Jahanara, elder daughter Roshanara. The 4 sons Dara, Shikwa, Aurangzeb and Murad. So he's second younger son of Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. He was thinking, my father did spend out some money to build Taj Mahal. And now they have a plan to build one more Taj Mahal, and that money is not belongs to him. Then his son come against with his father and going to kill his brother first and put his father in jail. 1658, just house arrest for 8 years, 1658 to the 1666. And Shah Jahan, he could see Taj Mahal from there. But day by day he is getting old. But when he is getting very old, then the very high quality magnified glass brought from Persia, they put in particular place, can see Taj Mahal from there, just by the through of mirror. But when he died in 1666, he said his daughter, please you bury me near my wife. So now we are going to see the graveyard, and you can visit over there. Only that point villages are not in symmetry. Otherwise each and everything is symmetrical. But we can visit only the replica, not the original one. That they open once a year when they have a death ceremony.
So now we are going inside. Vihara. Vihara.
원하는 낚시들어야겠네. 사람들 소리.
Itu kan dia ketemu dia noe. Itu siapa semua tu?
Akshardham.
Akshardham के
Akshardham. मला मी आज खर्चीचे लागत आणि 17 वर्ष आहे
17 वर्ष.
आज खर्चीचे लागत 17 वर्ष अब दि मात्र मकर को राजस्थान ले लंग बोतम लोनादम तम राती टाका देना ये चुना वो में टाका दे सकते ये
Mo assolutamente molto, dai.
Aya orada kullardayız. Sürece yapamayız.
Thank you.
पानी आखिर में दो ताजमहल की नांगला में
That is north side.
north side oh Yamuna Nadi
No video, no video.
no video
No video.
oh
And this is a me in Prayagraj. He was thinking, my father is not the money to be started, and that money does not belong to him. That is public money. And now they have again planned to be started himself. And again he's going to spend. But they have not started. And he wants to take over.
The one is bigger person. If not SCD is already done.
अब यो हामीदा के अरे आग्रामा ताजमहल पुग्यो भन्ने मात्रै हो तर यो कसरी भन्ने के भन्ने
स्टोरी चाहिँ थाहा हुँदैन
थाहा हुँदैन नि
तर you guys
अब
finish
हाम्रो
story.
लागि यो त अब खास यस्तै साह्रो इम्पोर्टेन्ट त होइन तर बुझ्यो भने
धेरै
राम्रो
राम्रो हो 카메라 고르면 쓰여 너
We go on the
Center way.
मैं तो टेंशन हो रहा है
아니 거기 내야 되는데 폰도 중요하네.
기둥 폴더만 해도 되는
different beauty.
예. 올해 이게 나사 다레션 구독네.
We going directly to hotel. Bamboo Union.
이런 거 하나 되는 이제 막내 인수랑
네. 왜 레와데랑 사니기?
그래서 서로네
불사시 유바하.
군다지
알라 쭈. 알라 잠만 쳐노.
Should dinner.
자자자 it's okay.
No masala.
No masala. Just regular.
कितना हुआ भैया
Except this. How much for tea?
7, 14, 7, 21, 7, 28, 7, 5, 35,
735.
7, 5, 42,
750.
calculator 또 점요네.
How much for tea?
50. हाँ डॉलर मालूम नहीं कि आने की भागी तेरो
빈조 다 가. 라신 비 다.
I can be.
你爱去了，对，后来拍了婆婆说了婆婆现在拍了那个是。
Okay, अब सङ्गीसा पुग्नलाई 12 किलोमिटर रहेछ 18 मिनट सो अलमोस्ट सङ्गीसा अब एभ्री स्टिल फ्रेस से पैकिङ खाने कुनै मोटो त
뭐가
이게 봐주시네
ए
네 가는 게 하리아나 게
쉬고 오는 어디나
시간
요요요 응. संगीसा और लेमुचो ठीक है माँ अच्छा 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 वाला है बहुत अच्छा हुआ बहुत अच्छा हुआ क्या सर संगीसा वेलकम jangan relip semua tadi wah mana tu mau mana 다 돼요. संगीसाला वेलकम इन केरला ओह सॉरी
Outside where?
There. Soap.
쇼플라 너무나 긴나 하리 하나 찍어 어두노 저도 요즘 제가 요즘 오늘 사진들로 뭐 두고 저는 제가 उधर रोटी है रोटी रोटी किधर मिलेगा फोरन बोलो सके
भाई साहब रात को दीजिए
अब यहाँ संगीसा को मंदिर चाहिँ 3 बजेसम्म बन्द रहेछ
भाई साहब चाय
3 बजेसम्म थाल जेखामिदु थरुङ कंडा चिनो तमदे समले मुसाफ दासामिदु तमता ओदु गोजी ओ गोजी 다 samosa biso samosa biso
भैया रात को
어머니 뭐지? 세다 가네노 하우스 사모사 사모살라
तर फ्रेश टी फ्रेश
ओ फ्रेश हो
लोकल बिजनेस
एकदम लोकललाई
लोकल बिजनेस लोकल बिजनेस दिमेसी
당겨서
ऑप्शन या मामी दो
어
야 저러 다 벗어 야 다 먹는 거 아주
어머 까부겨 사실은요
हमारा जिंजर नहीं था जिंजर नहीं साएगा हमारा
깝 집으로
हाँ ने
예 뭐냐면은 먼저 말씀하시지 이제 먼저 원래는 만능에 좀 내 많이 와셔서 올라져서 그래서 오늘 그냥 세컨디 ये क्या है
ये भगवान बुद्ध के जन्म का प्रतीक जो श्वेत हाथी ने दर्शन दिया था जब ये माँ के गर्भ में थी
너무 먹었는데 먼저 쓰라 먹었는데 되더라네. 거를 냄새도 나면서 머리 좀 근데 거기 되시 제가 그러면 좀 붙여놓으면서 제가 나가다니 어머님은
안 해보지는 안 해고
어머님은
뜸박이라 당해놔라. 너라 뜸박이라 당해놔라.
어?
야 걸었으면 걸어지게 그다 걸어지게
뭐 성기사 성기사 뭐 이제 어디는 뭐 뭐는 뭐 먹는 거다 야라에 서면서 아무리 나도 마음을 이제 서고 어른 남이 좀 멀리 좀 뭐나 멀리 내가 원하면 뭐 몰라 저거 뭐 여서 봐 이제 보러는 눈는 나 거다 내리셔서 지들 좀 보다 그냥 하나 이렇게 됐어 다 이제 다 보내 드시죠. 하고 나도 뭐 홍담리아 여기 있는 어쩌고 되는 걸로
맞아, 다 어머님이 마음을 주셔야 돼요.
중에서 서머진 넘어야 되나 그는 너도 이거 좀 내가 좀 좋아하다. 그래도 제시하게 돼서 되게 누구부터 보시고 저와 시와의 형 진짜 뭐 하다 화를 사는 시간. 지금서 뭐 진짜 뭐 너무나 더 쓰기 없이 형이 되지 소. 얘도 뭐도 제시고 돼서 예, 꼬라지. 다 느꼈지?
너무 낭세야, 남다.
感谢伦多贝，感谢卓绝谢那修王爷三个车单跟的发表所回来家的大家的诺波达瓦然的你们也查在了那这些，先把耶拉家在罗里街动作这些。
야, 나도 홍수다. 아우 시원하네.
संगीसा
오늘 그 뭐지?
오케이 संगीसा ने था जल्दी से सो
다 딜리.
다 दिल्ली हिमांचल कटिला सारे राम्रो भयो लाट्ने नेको संगीसा
어. 야 그러니까 제가 안 되죠.
솔자
잘라봐 그랬어.
자마기 깝나라 솔자 쉐요 다데
까닥 찍었어요.
katak 딜라 katak soldier on the way to Delhi ha soldier sai long mo
Jadi di peixe me dá, mas nem
so yeah the
이게 깝다 샤.
Ah, de goido.
다디 extra large 너마
Extra large.
땡큐 디제나.
Ele tá pra caralho. Cheiro tá pra caralho.
하야야 없으래. 두 번째 맛을 알려줘 가서 어디라니. 야 저러라 구이 되게 당기기.
시시시시 가나 당에
따라온 거야 기.
야 어버서 내셔 디문다 야나 태두고 나서 진짜고
E cendi.
sorry 너야 지랑
딜라 최고.
E cendi lá chiba.
니 뭐뭐 고니 사고이나 요다시 가살아야 되라고니 지랑 뭐뭐 소이 두바사고나
가살아 이뭐 소리가 좀
Paranha.
심으시고.
살기다.
뭐 차이나다운 게 두 번째 잠깐.
예. 아, 뭐뭐 일로. 뭐뭐. 응. 이제 낙서 좋아.
요다서 일레구나.
예.
Bom, de aja.
니 용자 들어.
Ni
야야야 돼 좋아.
puxa dali. E quando já vai a.
낙서 좋라.